Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzell speaking, and in this video today, we are going to look at icon set number 8 for the Google Docs series. So with that being said, let's dive right in. Icon set number 8 includes the numbered list option and the bulleted list option. I can create lists within my documents in a variety of ways. First of all, I could simply just highlight the text I want to be in list format and then left click on the numbered list option. As can be seen, depending on where I have started new paragraphs, numbers will be inserted. If I need to add in a new number in between two sets of numbers, I can click on Enter and then I can type whatever I need to type to be a part of my list. I can also click Enter and tab in to move further within the list itself. So let's say I don't like how it's number 1 and letter A. If I left click on the arrow next to the numbered list option, I can pick a variety of styles. For example, I could follow the traditional Harvard outline style with Roman numerals and uppercase letters. Furthermore, if I don't like the idea of having a numbered list, but rather I want a bulleted list, I can left click on the bulleted list button and it will change only one part of the list. So if I wanted to apply to the entire list, I have to highlight that text and click on the bulleted list option. Like I stated before, if I left click on the bulleted list option, I can change the styles for the bulleted lists in a variety of ways. So if I click on the checkbox option, now if I print the document, I can have checkboxes an individual could select. However, if I need to have two different types of lists within my document, I can click Enter and enter one more time, and it will remove the list option. I can then click Enter a few more times, and once I click on the numbered list option, I could type whatever I need to type for it to start a brand new list. And so as can be seen, I can format the document in a variety of ways when creating numbered or bulleted lists. Thank you, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.